Exercise 5.1, question number 4. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. So first question under that is 2, 4, 8, 16 ... To find the common difference, we have a formula, that is D is equals to T2 minus T1. So this is T1, T2, T3, T4. So we'll find for the first T2 minus T1, that is 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Then T3 minus T2, 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. T4 minus T3, 16 minus 8 is equals to 8. Now by looking at this itself, we can say that the difference are not same. Therefore, the given sequence is not an AP. Second question, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, ... Again, to find the difference, we take T2 minus T1, that is 5 by 2 minus 2, as this is a fraction, LCM will be 2. So when I solve the first value with the LCM, I get 5, and second value with the LCM, 1 ones are 1 twos are, that is 4. We get 5 minus 4 is equals to 1 by 2. If I do with T3 minus T2, 3 minus 5 by 2. Again, because of LCM, the LCM will be 2. When I solve 3 by 1 into LCM, it's 2, 2 3s are 6, and 5 by 2 into 2 to get cancelled, 5. 6 minus 5, again it gives us 1 by 2. Then T4 minus T3, 7 by 2 minus 3, again LCM, LCM will be 2. If I solve first value, 7 by 2 into 2, 7 remains, 3 by 1 into 2, 1 ones are, 1 twos are, 3 twos are 6. So 7 minus 6, again the difference is 2. So the difference what we see is 1 by 2 for all the 3 sets. So therefore, the given sequence is an AP. We can also write T is equals to 1 by 2. So now we need to find the next 3 terms. So next 3 terms is T1, T2, T3, T4. Next one is T5. So how do we find T5? That is A plus 4D. It's the one less than the nth value. So what is A value? So we can write A value is 2 and D value is 1 by 2. So now A is 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So T5 is equals to 4. Then we'll solve for T6, that is A plus 5D, 1 less than the nth value. So 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2, which gives us 2 plus 5 by 2, LCM again, which gives us LCM is 2, 2 twos are 4 plus 1, that is 5, 2 twos are 4 plus 5, that is 9 by 2, T6 value is 9 by 2. Now if I take the 7th term, A plus 6D, 2 plus 6 into 1 by 2, cancel directly because of multiplication sign. So 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So T6 is equals to 5. Next 3 terms are 4, 9 by 2, 5. Question number 3. Minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2, . So again, difference I need to find. So T2 minus T1, which gives us minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2, which gives us minus 3.2 plus 1.2, that is minus 2. How it's minus 2? So we can take minus 3.2 plus 1.2 plus into minus 0 to bigger value as minus sign. So now we understood the first term, first difference, then with T3 minus T2, which is minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2, which gives us minus 5.2 plus 3.2. Again, we get the answer as minus 2. T4 minus T3 is minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2 minus 7.2 plus 5.2, which gives us again minus 2. So therefore, the difference is minus 2 and it is an AP. So because of difference is same, so it's an AP. Now we find the next 4 terms. So next 3 terms is T5 is equals to A plus 4D. So now what is A value? Minus 1.2. D is minus 2. So keeping that in mind, so A is minus 1.2 plus 4 into minus 2. That gives us minus 1.2 minus 8. So which gives us 8 minus 8 minus 1.2 gives us 9.2. That is minus 9.2. So T6 is equal to A plus 5D. Minus 1.2 plus 5 into minus 2, which gives us minus 1.2 minus into minus plus into minus minus 5 2s are 10. So we can easily say that is minus 11.2. T7 is equals to A plus 6D, which gives us minus 1.2 plus 6 into minus 2. So minus 1.2 minus 12, which gives us minus 13.2. Therefore, 3 terms are minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. Question number 4. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, . So difference we can find by T2 minus T1. What is T2? Minus 6 minus of minus 10, which gives us minus 6 plus 10 is equals to 4. Then T3 minus T2, which gives us minus 2 minus of minus 6, minus 2 plus 6 is equals to again plus 4. T4 minus T3, we get 2 minus of minus 2, which gives us 2 plus 2, that is also 4. Now if you see, the difference is 4, therefore it is an AP. If it's an AP, we need to find next 3 terms. So finding T3 terms is T5 is equals to A plus 4D. Again, A value is minus 10. D value, what I get? 4. Substitute minus 10 plus 4 into 4. So minus 10 plus 4 4s are 16. So minus 10 plus 16 is 6. plus into minus minus, 2 minus 16 minus 10 is 6, and bigger value as plus sign. So T5 is 6. Then we have T6, A plus 5D, minus 10 plus 5 into 4, minus 10 by 4s are 20, which gives us plus 10. Same, plus into minus is minus, 2 minus 20 minus 10 is 10, and bigger value as plus sign. Then T7, A plus 60, minus 10 plus 6 into 4, minus 10, 6 4s are 24, which gives us 14. So T7 is equals to 14. 3 terms are 6, 10 and 14. Question number 5. 3 comma 3 plus root 2 comma 3 plus 2 root 2 comma 3 plus 3 root 2 dot dot dot. Again difference, we can take T2 minus T1. What is T2? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled, so plus 2 root 2 remains. So T3 minus T2. What is T3? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. Now what happens? 3 plus 2 root 2 remains same, minus 3, minus into plus, minus root 2. Now what happens to this? 3 and 3 get cancelled. 2 root 2 minus, if there is no value in front of it, so I can take it as 1 root 2. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2, it's again root 2. So T4 minus T3, which gives us again 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. Again 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus plus into minus minus 2 root 2. So 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2, where I can cancel minus sign, plus 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, again gives us, that is 1 root 2. So if you see, the difference is root 2, therefore it is an AP. Now because of an AP, we need to find the next 3 terms. So T5 is equals to A plus 4D. So now A is equals to 3, D is equals to root 3 plus 4 into root 2, which gives us directly 3 plus 4 root 2. Now T6, A plus 5D, 3 plus 5 into root 2, that is 3 plus 5 root 2. Then T7, A plus 6D, 3 plus 6 root 2, which gives us 3 plus 6 root 2. 3 terms are 3 plus 4 root 2 comma 3 plus 5 root 2 comma 3 plus 6 root 2. Question number 6. 0.2 comma 0.22 0.222 comma 0.2222 dot dot dot. So if I take the difference again, T2 minus T1, that is 0.22 minus 0.2, which gives us 0.02. Again if I find with T3 minus T2, 0.222 minus 0.22, which gives a difference of 0.02. If you see the difference, okay, so T3 minus T2 is 0.222 0.22 minus 0.22. When I subtract this, I get 0.002. So therefore, if you see the difference is not same, we can say that therefore it is not an AP. So if it's not an AP, no need of finding next three terms. So seventh question, 0, 4 minus 8 minus 12 dot 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 t2 minus t1, which gives us minus 4 minus 0, which is minus 4, t3 minus t2 minus 8 of minus 4, which gives us minus 8 plus 4, it is again minus 4, t4 minus t3 minus 12 minus of minus 8 minus 12 minus into minus plus 8, which gives us again minus 4. Bigger value has bigger minus sign, so it's minus 4. Therefore, D is equals to minus 4 and it is an AP. It is an AP. So once it's an AP, we need to find the next three terms. So T5 is equals to A plus 4D. So what is A value? 0. What is D value? Minus 4. Now we can write 0 plus 4 into minus 4, which gives us minus 60. Then T6 is equal to A plus 5D. 0 plus 5 into minus 4. 0 plus 5 4s are 20. So we can write minus 20. Then T7 is equals to A plus 60. 0 plus 6 into minus 4. 6 4s are 24. So it minus 24. 3 terms are minus 16, minus 20 and minus 24. Eighth question, minus 1 by 2, comma minus 1 by 2, comma minus 1 by 2, comma minus 1 by 2, dot dot dot. So T2 minus T1, which gives us minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 gives us 0. T3 minus T2 if I do, minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2 again gives us minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 0. So if I keep finding the other values also, I get the answer as 0. Therefore T is equals to 0. Therefore it is an AP. It is an AP. So next three terms are T5 is equal to A plus 4D. What is A value? Minus 1 by 2. D is 0. So minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into 0, it's same answer as minus 1 by 2 because 4 into 0 is 0. Now T6 is equal to A plus 5D. Minus 1 by 2 plus 5 into 0, again I get minus 1 by 2. T7 also I get the same answer, 60 minus 1 by 2 plus 6 into 0, which gives us minus 1 by 2. Therefore three terms are minus 1 by 2, again minus 1 by 2 and minus 1